Usually after you go through 3 Sun Salutation A's and 1 B, the top is in the body, the heat in the body starts to rise, the heartbeat starts to rise. And really the Sun Salutation A and B, this allows us to stretch safely when we get to the seated postures, and even when we get to some of the standing postures. So Sun A and Sun B is very important to the practice. So we'll just do it in English this time. So bend in the knees, look forward. As you inhale, travel towards the top of the mat, come up to a flat spine. As you exhale, hinge and fold. Then squat down as you bend those knees, bring the arms overhead. And as you exhale, bring the hands to the hips and kind of step or jump the feet hip distance apart for Padangusthasana. As you inhale, look up. As you exhale, take the big toes or the shins or the knees or whatever is available. And I like to add an inhale, head up, look at the horizon, exhale, fold here, where you can really kind of get into it. I'm just going to support here. So breathing in and breathing out. Just breathing in and breathing out. Maybe even coming back to that intention. Just kind of coming back to the greater reason for our practice. And, it is all about health and healing and health and healing from the inside out. But it's really about your experience and your intentions too. So really keep your focus on that. So as you inhale, come halfway up. As you exhale, slide the hands under the feet for Padahastasana. And then bringing the chest towards the knees, we'll kind of rock forward a little bit. And it's kind of like being on a seesaw and you just kind of rock yourself forward. And, if you have a student, you can ground them, then you can ease them a little bit, but not so much because, you really don't want to hurt your students. You're really here to provide structural support and make sure that they're safe in the posture. That's your biggest goal. So as we slide the hands out from under the feet, on the inhale, come halfway up. As you exhale, bring the hands to the hips. Inhale all the way up. Exhale. Good. So we'll take a vinyasa. So as you come to the top of the mat, we'll inhale and breathe the arms overhead. As you exhale, hinge and fold forward. Good. Inhale, look up. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, lower down. Inhaling to up dog or cobra. Exhaling now to down dog or child's pose, or maybe even a tabletop. I'm going to give you a minute to kind of figure out what you need. At this point in the practice, the body has usually kind of said, oh, I feel a little tender here, or I'd like a little more or a little less there. The Sun Salutation to me is an evaluation of really how we're doing and how we're feeling that day. So make that time to kind of